Neotelic is an organization which is into the IT hardware distribution space. We are one of the leading IT hardware distribution company. We are using Matrix COSAC time and attendance system, and right now we are having a hardware installed around 22 locations, and we are trying to increase more this kind of machines. Right now, this is the second phase plan. First phase we have done around 22 machine installation. Basically, when we thought about forgoing a time and attendance system, we have not thought about Matrix or any system at that. But the need was there because we are right now in the automation era of technology, and where the thing has to be on the laptops and desktops, and same with the attendance system also, and the information should be get in the click of a button for the employees also and for the HR team also, to effective processing of the time and attendance of the team members, and there should not be ambiguity and there should be a transparency. That was our understanding for going for any time and attendance. We come across Matrix, we have spoken to them, seen the features, we really like the product, and right now the experience is too good. Basically, Matrix has scored of course on the features, the software features what they are having the COSAC, which is flexible, which is a user friendly for the person who is administrating the same, and second for the user who is using the same. Third and second thing is that a cost effective way, and fourth thing is that there is something called plug and play kind of a thing. I can say there is nothing called a complex thing what for installing, right from the installing a machine to the user level training also. So that is the parameter what we feel like yes, we can go ahead with this product. And always there is a new software update and upgradation which is going on in the software, which again makes it more competent than other product line what we have seen. The support is excellent. Whenever I call Matrix or their partners, they just respond quickly, and they try their level best to solve the problem on ASAP basis, and always keep us on updated what is going on. If the problem is not able to solve on a particular day, they will just ensure that the things will be in the right place, and they will always update us. So that is something called what we are looking for. Before installing this product, we are having the various issues like in any organization, is like late coming, early going, not taking the approval on the tools, leaves. So those kind of the issues are there, what we always encounter, and that also leads to the employee grievances also. And there is a time and discipline also, that is something where we are facing some challenges. After installing this product, we have got the real-time data, and the data is same with what we are having, and without the approval the things are not moving. If you are late or you are on tour or you are taking the leave, so the balances are maintained and the approval process is followed. So right now you can say the people are much more systematic and the discipline has come into the picture. If you ask me to recommend Matrix product, I say yes, because not because that I am using it, but basically it's because of the experience what I have got, the product feature and the upgradation, and last but not the least is something called support that is more required. So we will 100% recommend this product to where the need is there. This software is more integrated or flexible to integrate with other software, like we are using the Navision and all, where it can be integrated easily. It is not having any unique platform. So for this software to integrate with any other servers and the software, that is more, and customer delight has more than what we have expected. I think so. At the end of the day, if I am getting more customer delight, for me any product will work, and Matrix has always come up to the expectations.